Millions of people are watching the same cleaning videos on TikTok right now. Millions of views, millions of shares. But here is the question nobody is asking. How many of those hacks are actually safe for your home, your family, and your body? Today, we separate the noise from the truth. Like, say, subscribe, turn on notifications, because what goes viral is not always what is valuable. And today, we are giving you both. Picture this. It is a Sunday afternoon. You are lying on your couch, scrolling through TikTok, and suddenly a video stops you mid-scroll. A spotless kitchen, a gleaming bathroom, someone wiping away years of grime in 30 seconds flat. Your jaw drops a little. You save the video, you screenshot the ingredients. You feel this strange rush of motivation, like today might be the day your home finally transforms. We have all been there, every single one of us. But then Monday comes, and Tuesday, and the saved video sits quietly in your phone, unwatched and unfollowed. Why? Because most of those hacks feel complicated, chemical heavy, or just too good to be true. Today, we fix that with hacks that are natural, simple, and genuinely, honestly effective. The TikTok trap nobody warns you about. Here is the uncomfortable truth about the cleaning content flooding your feed right now. A significant portion of viral cleaning hacks involve mixing chemicals that should never, ever be combined in a home environment. Bleach and ammonia, vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. Products that look harmless in a bright, aesthetic kitchen on a phone screen, but create toxic fumes in real life. The algorithm does not care about your lungs. It cares about your watch time. So today, we are doing something different. The natural TikTok hacks that actually deserve to go viral. First up is the hack that claims to erase soap scum and hard water stains. The videos make it look so simple, but the problem is very real. The glass is cloudy, the tile is dull, and the floor has a nasty layer of grime. The hack calls for a simple paste of baking soda and white vinegar. The idea is that the acidic vinegar reacts with the baking soda. I'm mixing about a cup of baking soda with just enough vinegar to make a thick paste. It honestly looks a bit like cake frosting, but I promise you, you do not want to eat this. Now, I'm slathering it all over the shower walls and floor with a sponge, really focusing on the grimiest spots. The TikToks are a little vague on timing. Some say a few minutes, some say longer. I'm going to give it a solid 20 minutes to really work its magic. All right, the moment of truth. I'm giving it a light scrub with a soft brush and rinsing it all down with hot water. And finally, the cast iron pan revival hack that cast iron lovers have been quietly sharing for years before TikTok ever found it. Pour coarse salt generously into your pan. Cut a potato in half and use the flat cut side to scrub the salt firmly across the surface. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, while the starch from the potato lifts residue and conditions the surface. Rinse with warm water, dry immediately, and rub with a thin layer of oil. Your pan comes back to life without a single drop of dish soap ever touching it. Ray, the deeper story here. There is something quietly revolutionary about what is happening on social media right now. Beneath all the noise and the viral trends and the aesthetically perfect kitchens, a real movement is growing. People, especially young people, are rediscovering what their grandparents always knew. That nature is not a backup plan. It is not a compromise. It is the original solution. Every time you choose a lemon over a chemical spray, every time you reach for baking soda instead of a product wrapped in 3 layers of plastic, you're making a choice that is better for your home, better for your health, and better for this planet. That is not a small thing. That is everything. TikTok will keep producing new content every hour. New hacks, new trends, new things to save and forget. But the hacks we talked about today? They are not trends. They are timeless. They worked before the internet existed, and they will keep working long after the algorithm moves on. The next time you feel that Sunday afternoon urge to transform your home, you do not need to scroll for hours. You just need a lemon, some baking soda, a little vinegar, and the knowledge you now carry with you. That is enough. That has always been enough. If this gave you that Sunday motivation you have been looking for, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a video like this one. Share it with someone whose home, and whose health, deserves better. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.